In today's video, I'll show you how to create serverless apps with Cloudflare Workers so you can build fast web applications without managing a traditional server. If you're new to serverless development, Cloudflare Workers let you run your code on Cloudflare's global network. This means you can build applications that respond quickly to users while Cloudflare handles the underlying infrastructure. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Then go to the Workers and Pages section and select Workers. Next, click Create Worker to start a new project. Cloudflare will generate a starter template that you can customize for your application. Give your worker a descriptive name so it's easy to recognize as your project grows. Now, open the code editor and begin adding the logic for your application. Your worker can process requests, return responses, connect to APIs, or perform other tasks depending on what you're building. As you develop your app, save your changes and use the preview feature to test how it behaves before publishing. Once everything is working correctly, deploy your worker. Cloudflare will make your application available across its global network. If your app needs to use a custom domain, configure a route or domain in the worker's settings so requests are directed to your application. After deployment, test your application from a browser or another client to confirm it works as expected. As your project grows, continue updating your code, redeploying new versions, and monitoring performance using the tools available in the Cloudflare dashboard. And that's how you create serverless apps with Cloudflare Workers. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.